This is our next purchase ledger control account slideshow, and all the remaining MCQs would be covered in this slideshow. We go to the first slide. Question 1. Henry has charged James interest on his overdue accounts. Where does this interest appear in James' control account? Option A says on the credit side of the purchase ledger control account. It seems this is the correct answer because purchase ledger control account shows all the accounts payable or trade payables. If the interest is charged, then the accounts payable or trade payable is increased. Therefore, it shall be on the credit side of the purchase ledger control account. Number B, option B, on the credit side of the sales, as it is a sales ledger, so it is ruled out. On the debit side of the purchase, cannot be there on the debit side because it is showing the liability, therefore it shall be on the credit side. On the debit side of the sales ledger, so option D is also ruled out. Option A is the correct answer, as Henry is James' trade payable. If interest is charged by Henry on James' overdue account, it will increase the amount owed to Henry, or the liability shall be recorded on the credit side of the purchase ledger control account. Now we go to the next slide. A trader provided the following information. On 1st March, purchase ledger control account had a balance 4,000. It shall be a credit balance. On 31st March, the purchase ledger showed purchases journal total as 53,000, purchases return journal total as 2,000, checks paid to suppliers 47,000, discount received 1,000. What is the purchases control account balance on 31st March? So the solution is given in the next slide. This is the solution. Purchases ledger control account, or we can say it's a trade payable account or accounts payable account. So balance brought down is 4,000, which shall be on the credit side. Purchases are recorded as these purchases are on credit, therefore recorded on the credit side, 53,000. So credit side has a total of 57,000, and on the debit side, purchase returns are recorded on the debit. Because this reduces the liability. Purchase return reduces the liability, therefore it is recorded on the debit side. Bank also, if anyone pays off the trade payable, so the liability is reduced, and therefore it shall be recorded on the debit side. Discounts also reduce the liability, and the total or the balance for this account is 7,000. It is shown over here. So this is how we calculate the balance, and you are requested to kindly follow the review these slides and practice these slides, and kindly subscribe to this channel and share it with your friends and relatives. Thank you so much.